best performance ever.
Absolutely. Did you notice how confidently they own the stage? I think we have some future superstars among us.
Without doubt, let's give another huge round of applause to our amazing LKG dancers and their wonderful teachers who made this performance possible.
And everyone watching, stay tuned because the magic of today's program is far from over.
Coming up next, programs that got everything.
The Grade 1 superstars have got you covered. First they all charm us with their moves to Salala and then they all switch the gears and bring out the Lungi swag.
This is going to be like a joyride, Europe to Chennai in under 5 minutes.
Let's give a huge round of applause to our Grade 1 performance as they taken us in this incredible journey.
So please welcome our
shine above me. He's been gone for some time, but I know I truly love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he hears it. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la just for you. If your love's gone away just like mine, you feel like crying. Sing along, maybe once, maybe twice. Let's try it together. Some sweet day, no one knows you'll return, and you'll be happy. Shout it sweet in a song. Listen to your heart, it is singing. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la just for you.
This is the tribute to Salala. मुझको थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझको थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के all the रजनी fans don't miss that chance all the रजनी fans don't miss that chance lungi dance 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 डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा